channel is Sai Product Reviews. So today I am doing my series LG DFB424FW series. Now, as I said in my last video, I'll show you the dishwasher and its feature. Now I'll show you them now in this video. Okay, now let's get started. So now I think you can see the inside of the dishwasher. Yeah. So these are the two racks. Yeah, and I'll even show you the true steam. So from these four compartments or four vent, you'll get the steam. And now I'll show you the quad wash fan. So I think now you can see this. Yeah, I think you can see this. This is the quad wash. And this is the salt refill, and now I am closing it, and it's very easy to close. And this is the detergent powder compartment, so you can open and close it like this. Just press. Okay, done, like that. And even to open it, just open it. This is the inside compartment. And now I am showing you the upper basket. As I said, these are the foldable tiles. But in upper basket, see, no. Okay. I think you can see. And now you can place all the balls, or if open here, and just here place the plates, and here the balls. And here you can keep the cups like that, and here we have the holder. This is the holder for spoons without using cutlery basket, if we are having small spoons and less spoons. Yeah, and next this is the cutlery basket. So, and here we are given with a good feature that we can keep the cutlery basket in between of this. See, as I have kept, I will show it in a clear view. So now I think you can see this, how I am operating it easily. And now I have taken the cutlery basket. Now I am placing it here in between of these tiles, and it's very easy to place. See, like this also you can place them between this. And even now I have closed this, and now I am opening this lower basket. Now see, you can easily keep this through this. See now. See how easily I have kept it. So you can roll it and keep it here, or even between this. So now you can see it clearly. I have kept them between these tiles. Okay? Yes. And now I'll show you even the funnel that has been given directly with this dishwasher. So this is the funnel given to pour the salt easily, as they have given a small hole. Now I'll show you even that. Now I have removed the cutlery basket, and you can see this is the upper basket, and we can even change the size of the upper basket, like press this like that, lift it and leave like this. You can change the sizes, and there are three sizes. Three you can change. Okay, this is for adjusting the rack size, so that you can keep the tall vessels even here like. And now I'll show you the fan under the upper basket. Okay, so now this is the spray arm under the upper basket. So I think you can see this, and there are some small pores from which the water comes, and even sometimes steam comes from this. Now I will show you that even from the quad steam we will get steam. So I think you can see those orange pores. Yeah, I think you can see those orange pores. From this only steam comes, or sometimes water even, and these rotate like this. See, you can see while they're rotating, they are moving. See, So see them carefully, you'll get about it. And I'll show you inside of this clearly. So this is how the water can stay up. So see this. This is inside the upper basket. And now lower basket. Yeah. So even in lower basket we have foldable tins like this, or open this like that. So this is the dishwasher, and now I will show you the control panel also. So now you can see this is the control panel. Auto, intensive, delicate, refresh, eco, turbo, download cycle. This option will help you to download more cycles, as I have said. So why is this download cycle option given? So for the look of the dishwasher, to the look will give the look to give the look a better look for the dishwasher, they have given only few options. So from the LG Smart ThinQ app, you can download the cycle. Okay. And this is inverter direct drive, and this is the LG Smart ThinQ app symbol. You can download it from the Play Store. And now this is the smart diagnosis. Okay. So like this you can see, and salt and rinsed, Wi-Fi. This is the Wi-Fi, and LED screen. Okay. And dual zone. Dual zone means all the spray arms will activate at a time, at the same time. Half load means, I think you know, while there are less dishes, you can use only one rack in this. And even energy saver, it will take more time and will use low energy. Steam, I think you know, high temperature means like intensive with high temperature cleans most of the dishes, very like kadai, hardly soiled kadais. Extra dry for drying it more. And delay start, like you're going out and you can place the plates in the dishwasher, and you have to close it, and after that you have to delay start it, after 3 hours you want to get it started. So after 3 hours it only starts by its own when we set the delay start option. After that, if the cycle is chosen like turbo and extra dry, it may take about 1 hour 40 minutes. So after 1 hour 40 minutes, it only completes and the dishwasher off. So after coming, you can see this, and the delay start can be used 1 to 12 hours only. Okay. And now you can see this true steam. So steam option, that is true steam. Quad wash means clean from every angle. As I have shown you, quiet operation. In my last video, I said quiet operation 45 dB and inverter direct drive 10 years motor warranty. Okay. And here there is one more option, that is extra function hold 3 seconds. Means when we get this star symbol with under any other option, so like now on this delay start we are having Wi-Fi. So if we press it for 3 seconds, we can on the Wi-Fi like this. Okay. So and here it will blink. Now as I did not on the dishwasher, now I'll on and show you most of the features in control panel. Okay. In my next video, only about control panel. This is just giving you outlook and some features. My next video, I'll show you on the control panel and show you and intensive machine clean. So machine clean is it if you hold 3 seconds and start, then the machine starts cleaning. Okay. So guys, this is for the video, and I will see you all in my next video. And I will show you, I will on the dishwasher, and I will show you the control panel also, how to touch, and the control panel is only operated by touch. So guys, this is for the video, and I'll see you all in my next video. Thank you from the whole team of SPR. Thank you so much. Like and subscribe and comments. Please comment in the comment section below, and press the notification bell icon so you'll get the notification when I post my new video. See you all guys in my next video. Stay home, stay safe. Always wear mask when you go out. Thank you. Bye.